special for New Year. Something like starters. So you can have it with juices and drinks and give it to your guests. So today I'm going to make something yummy with seafood, chicken and with cauliflower. So the name of the dish is New Year starters. It comprises of 3 dishes, which is dynamite prawns, dynamite gobi and chicken koli vada. Chicken koli vada is a specialty of Maharashtra. So let's go to the ingredients. So first we are going to start with making dynamite prawns. Dynamite prawns is a very famous starter, and it's basically the prawns which is fried and it is coated nicely in a sauce. So come on, let's see how to make dynamite prawns. So over here I have taken 8 tiger prawns. If you don't have tiger prawns, you can use normal medium prawns also. Okay. So into this we are going to add 1 egg, 2 to 3 teaspoons of soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder and 1 teaspoon of pepper and 1 salt as per your taste. So first we put the egg and then into the bowl we will add 1 to 2 teaspoon of soya sauce. One teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 to 2 teaspoon of pepper powder, okay, and some salt. Okay, this much is. Now we will mix it nicely. Now into the marinade we will add our prawns and coat it nicely. The prawns with the tail looks nice when you are serving. So that's why I have not cut the tail. Now we will mix it nicely and keep it aside for about 1 to 2 hours. Now we will keep this aside and start off with the gobi. So over here I have taken a medium sized gobi. I have cut them into small pieces so that they can be fried easily. Okay. So for this dynamite gobi we will do the same procedure for the marination. The egg, soy sauce, garlic powder and the salt and black pepper powder. Take a bowl and first break a egg, and into this we will add 1 to 2 teaspoon of soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, powder, 1 to 2 teaspoon of black pepper powder. Okay, and we will again mix it nicely. Salt as per your taste. Now we will mix this all nicely. Now we will put our gobi into this. Now we will keep this aside and start with chicken koli vada. So the chicken koli vada is like a chicken pakoda, and it is really famous dish of Maharashtra. You can try it with seafood also, which means you can try it with prawns, but as I'm already making dynamite prawns, I thought of making it in chicken. And if you are a vegetarian, you can make it in paneer. And this is a very famous starter from Maharashtra. So first, to make the koli vada, you have to make the batter. And for the batter, you need 1 cup of gram flour or besan. Then 1/4 cup of corn flour, 2 tablespoons of chili powder. If you want less spicy, you can decrease to 1 tablespoon. Then you need 2 tablespoons of flour. Then you need 2 tablespoons of maida. Then 1 teaspoon of chaat masala to give a nice chatpata taste to the koli vada. Then 1 teaspoon of ajwain or carom seeds. Okay, little bit of hing or asafoetida. And then salt as per your taste. You should be careful by adding salt to the batter, because if it gets too much, it will not taste really nice. Okay, mix it nicely. Then into this we will add water to make it into a batter. It should not be too thick or too thin. Okay, so now I have added 1 cup. So this is little bit thick, so I will add little more water into this. Okay, now we will again mix it nicely. So the batter should not be too thick or too thin. It should be like the batter of pakoras. It should be like enough to coat the half kg of chicken. Okay, chicken koli vada has a nice red color. So if you want the red color to come, you can add Kashmiri chili powder. And the chicken should be cut into strips. See, they're cut into strips. Small strips. Okay, and the chicken should be dry. It should not have any water. Now we will put our chicken into this and coat it nicely into the batter. After coating, we will keep it aside for 1 to 2 hours. If you don't want that, you can fry it immediately also. Okay, so your chicken should be coated nicely. Okay, now we will keep this also aside for 1 to 2 hours. So my prawns has been in the fridge for about 1 to 2 hours. Now we will make the sauce for it. So after we take out the prawns, we fry it and then we put it into the sauce and serve it piping hot. Okay, and this is an appetizer. It's a Japanese appetizer and it's like a finger food. It's really delicious and it is served piping hot. So come on, let's see how to make the sauce for it. So as I'm going to use the same sauce for gobi also, I'm adding 1 cup of mayonnaise. If you are only going to make only for prawns, add only half cup of mayonnaise. And if you are using more prawns, you can double the quantity of mayonnaise, because the base of the sauce is mayonnaise. Let's add it. Okay. Now into this I will be adding half cup of red chili sauce or sriracha sauce. Okay. In this also you can decrease the quantity if you are using this only for prawns. And into this I will be adding 1 to 2 tablespoon of tomato sauce, normal tomato sauce. Around 1 or 2 teaspoon of sweet chili sauce. Okay. And 1 tablespoon of honey. Okay. Now we will mix all of this nicely. Okay. You can serve this with my Santiago or strawberry mojito. This is a very nice dish when you have guests coming over your house on New Year, and when you having drinks or juices. So it's a very apt dish for a New Year Eve. Okay. So our sauce is ready now. We will keep this aside now. So for the second marination, you will be needing 1 cup of maida, half cup of corn flour, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, okay, and salt as per your taste. If you don't have the garlic powder, you can opt it out, but if you have it, better, because it gives a nice taste to the prawns, because Japanese appetizer. And salt, okay. So now we will mix this all nicely. Now we will take our prawns one by one, coat it nicely and heat it, deep fry it on medium heat, okay. So we will coat it nicely and remove the extra flour like this, okay. So one by one we will marinate all the prawns, okay. We will coat it in the flour mixture, okay. Now we will deep fry it, okay. We will coat it, we will put it in the pan, okay. Slowly. Be careful while putting, because the oil is very hot. And the prawns have already been deveined and cleaned nicely, okay. We will fry the prawns till it is golden brown, and the prawns cook very fast, okay. See, a nice aroma has filled the kitchen, okay. Now while the prawns is frying, we will coat the cauliflower. We will coat the cauliflower in the same flour mixture, okay. So 3 to 4 minutes on each side will be enough. So now it has become 5 minutes. I am going to take it out on a tissue paper. Okay, so I am going to take it out on a tissue paper. So I have already drained the oil, see, and now we will fry our cauliflower, okay. So we will slowly put it, okay. See. Now I am going to take my cauliflower on a tissue paper, and then I am going to fry my chicken koli vada, okay. So before you are going to fry, just mix the chicken again, and then we are going to fry it, okay. This also we are going to fry on medium heat. So if you have already marinated the chicken and the prawns, it is really easy, because the boneless chicken and prawns takes only little time to cook, okay. And remember that the chicken should be nicely coated with the batter, and the chicken should be cut into small strips. So this is similar to the Amritsari fish we get in Punjab, but this chicken koli vada is really special, and it's really special on food of Maharashtra. And if you go to any restaurants, Maharashtrian restaurants, you will get this. So our one side is cooked, we will flip it to the other side. See, it looks so delicious. It looks really delicious, crispy, yummy, what not. So please do try this because I know you all will like it, and this will go nice with on a rainy day with a nice cup of tea or a coffee, because it is like a pakoda. So it has nicely fried, see, and it has got a nice golden brown color, see. Wow. Okay, so now we will put it on a tissue paper and let the oil drain. And now we will serve all our starters and we will arrange it on a nice plate. Okay, so first I am going to tell you how to serve our dynamite prawns and cauliflower. We will take our prawns, 2-3 of them. You can keep it on any bowl. Okay, and now we will pour our sauce. Okay, slowly. Okay, and now we will mix this nicely. Okay, this the prawn should be nicely coated to the sauce. This gives the name dynamite. If the spiciness of the sauce is less, you can add more sriracha or sweet normal red chili sauce. Okay, you should nicely coat it. See, usually this is served on a cocktail glass with a bed of lettuce. So I have taken a glass bowl which is shaped like a cocktail glass, and it has lettuce over it. And now we will place our prawns now. Now similarly we will do it for the cauliflower also. Okay, we will coat it in the sauce and serve it on a nice bowl. Okay, so I have placed the chicken kodi vada on a plate with some pudina chutney, lime and onion. If you want the recipe of the pudina chutney, you can ask in the comments, and I have already put it in the description below. And a pinch of amchur powder on top of the chicken. Okay, the prawns and the cauliflower should be coated in the sauce immediately after they are fried. Okay, so they should be served piping hot. So this is my new cocktail platter with dynamite prawns, dynamite cauliflower, chicken koli vada and some pineapple juice. So enjoy my New Year cocktail platter. Please do try this. It's really simple if you have already marinated this all before. And please do try this. Encourage me by sharing among your friends. Try this and comment below if you have tried. Like my video and subscribe. And till then, Happy New Year!